It's 5:15 a.m. in Glendale, Arizona, suburban Phoenix. And today I want to talk to you about my cooling clothing, which I'm really happy with. And no, I'm not selling anything. I'm just trying to make everybody happy. And if you're happy, I'm happy. So there's no particular brand name to any of this. It's just the material, which I find interesting. Here, ride along with me and I'll see if I can explain. For many years, I wore shorts and tank tops and tried to protect my skin with sunscreen, and it really wasn't doing a very good job. It was costing me a lot of money in sunscreen. And then a friend of mine at the park recommended cooling arm sleeves, which were kind of nice. The sleeves worked really well. You'd put them on, spray a little bit of water on them, and your arms would be cool and protected from the sun. And then about a year later, I decided to see if I could find something that would protect my legs. And I got these. And I have to admit, I was a little self-conscious about wearing what seemed to me to be pantyhose. But I Googled some basketball players, and they're comfortable wearing them. So I figured, well, if they can do it, I can do it. A friend of mine said that for men, they're called leggings. They feel good. There's a little bit of compression, which is good for my chronically sore legs. The white color reflects the sunlight, and the material, you get it wet and it kind of cools you off as you ride along. I carry a ordinary squirt bottle filled with water so I can spray myself every once in a while. And when I stop at the park to wash my hands, I can splash some water from the sink onto myself and drip a little bit onto the concrete, and it's fine. Feels good. By the way, I don't use the arm sleeves anymore. I invested in shirts of the same material. They're not skin tight. They seem to work fine. And then, of course, there's my thing that covers my neck, the Lawrence of Arabia thing, I call it. And I always wear a baseball cap under my helmet with the visor pointed towards the front. So the only skin that's exposed is my face and a little bit of my neck, and I slather on SPF 50, sometimes 100. And here's a neat trick that I just figured out this past year, covering up my hands. These are exfoliating gloves, very light. Get them wet, protect your skin, keep your hands cool. Well, I hope you found this interesting. Of course, the best thing to do in Phoenix when it's really hot is to stay inside with the air conditioning on, or at least inside of a car with the air conditioning on. But I like to get out, so I get out for a couple of hours, and then I get home before it gets too hot. Thanks for riding along with me. I'll see you next time.